Today we're looking at this lesson here, how big is the ocean? And in our booklets, I'm using booklet version 37, in our booklets this is around page 4. Okay, so a pre-lesson task, how big is the ocean? Which is the largest ocean? Find 5 interesting facts about the ocean. Okay. Now you don't have to answer here. You can put your answers in the comments of this video if you want. That's a good idea. Yeah. So go ahead, please. Do these 3 items. Pause this video, and then we'll check together. Okay. Right, okay, so how big is the ocean? 360 million square kilometers. That's square kilometers. Which is the largest ocean, the Pacific Ocean. Okay, if you've ever seen a world map, yes, I think we could guess that the Pacific is the largest. And some interesting facts. Less than 5% of the planet's oceans have been explored. Wow. The world's longest mountain chain is underwater. Interesting. The majority of life on Earth is aquatic. There are more historic artifacts under the sea than in all of the world's museums. Quite interesting. It's a slow internet this morning. Right, okay, so we've done that. Now, head over to your booklet, page 4. How big is the ocean? Okay, so we're going to watch the talk for the first time. We've got some numbers here. Which number do we hear first? Which number do we hear second? Which number do we hear third? So if we hear this number first, we're going to write 1. If we hear this number second, we're going to write a 2 here. If we hear this number third, we're going to write a 3 here. Okay? The order that we hear them, we're only interested in numbers that we hear, not numbers that we see on the screen. Okay, that's important because we will see some numbers on the screen, but we're only interested in the numbers that we hear. Right, okay, so we're not going to watch the video together. You're going to watch it by yourself. Let me show you the video. Slow. Okay, so for the video, it's not in our media album, it's on a website. Oi, 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 really slow. Okay, so I went here, I went to odd terms. I went to unit 1. I went here, how big is the ocean? And it's this link here, okay, which takes us to this website, and we can watch the video from here, okay? So 5 minutes 25, so go off, watch the video, and put the numbers in the right order, okay? Pause this video, go watch the other video, come back, and we will check together. Okay, good luck. Right, now, quite difficult this one. Quite difficult. If you got most of these, well done. If you got all of them, incredible. If you got some of them, you can use this and maybe check again. So, the first number that we hear is this one, number 1. Then we hear 5. Yes, there are actually 5 oceans. 3. So this is third. This is fourth. This is 5th. This one is 6th. This one is 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 11th here, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Yep. 21 is the last number that we hear. And if we have a look at this, see here, so 29% appears on the video, but we don't see it. Yeah. 3% appears on the video, but it's not spoken. Okay, so remember here, we're only interested in the order in which we hear them. Yeah? 99% is on the video, but we don't hear it. And this one, 11,035 meters, is not spoken. Okay? Okay, really quite a difficult task, that. Quite difficult. If you need to pause this video and go and watch some more, please do that. Yeah? We're going to watch one more time. What does this number mean? Okay, so what does it refer to? 2.1 kilometers. What is that? 2.1 kilometers of what? Yeah. So we know which order we're going to listen to them in. Now listen again. What is each of these numbers? What does it mean? Pause the video, go off, try to do this, come back, and then we will check together. Aha, finally. Right, okay, so 1. There's only one ocean. 5 smaller oceans. The Pacific, the Atlantic, the Indian. 71%, the surface of the planet, which is covered in water. 360 million square kilometers, the size of the oceans. We know that from the pre-task. 36, the size of the ocean divided by the size of the United States of America. 1.3 billion, that's the volume of the ocean. 132 kilometers, the height of the ocean water if it was piled on top of the US. 97%, so this is water on the planet in the ocean. 99%, the world's biosphere lives in the ocean. And conversely, just 1% lives on land. 65,000 kilometers, the length of the longest mountain range, yes, the mid-ocean ridge. 10 times longer than the longest mountain range on land. 116 times the waterfall in the Denmark Strait carries 116 times more water than the biggest waterfall on land. Very, very strange to think about a waterfall underwater. Very, very strange, yeah? But of course there's this heavy water and this less heavy water, or dense water and less dense water. Very strange to think about a waterfall underwater. So this is the height above land, the height below land, and this is the total height. Mauna Kea. 11 kilometers, the depth of the deepest canyon. 6. The Challenger Deep is 6 times deeper than the Grand Canyon. 2.1 kilometers, so if Mount Everest started at the bottom of the Challenger Deep, there would still be 2.1 kilometers of water on top of Everest. So Everest would be completely submerged by water. 50% of the population live within 100 kilometers of the ocean, and here 100 kilometers, so the distance 50% of the population live from the coast. Yeah? A lot of information here. This looks like quite a short lesson, but maybe we really need to listen to this like 3 or 4 times. Yeah, because this task is not easy, getting the order, and then this task is also not easy, getting the meaning. But that is the lesson. Yeah, if you need to watch again, watch again. If you need to pause this video and look more closely at these answers, you can do that. These answers, of course, are on Schoology for you, so you can have a look there. Let me show you. Yeah, here we go. So it's the same document that I was just showing you. If you've got any questions, if you've got any problems, leave a comment down below. And like I say, if you wanted to post your 5 interesting facts about the oceans, you can also post those down here. Alright guys, well that's it for now. I'll see you in the next lesson next time. Bye bye.